Hey guys, it's Zoe and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a song cover or album cover inspired makeup look for you guys today. The song that inspired me to do this makeup look is called Bad Vibes by K FLAY. K FLAY is one of my favorite alternative artists out there. She came out with an album about 2 weeks ago called Solutions, and one of the songs on the album is called Bad Vibes. On the single cover of Bad Vibes, there's this cool symbol and it has like a face on it, which I'll show right here. I thought it'd be a really cool idea to do a makeup look based on this song cover. The only thing I'm worried about is the scissors. I'm not really like too excited to do that, but I'm here to challenge myself, so if you guys want to see a song makeup inspired look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in just a little bit so you guys can see me up close and personal. For today's makeup look, I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette. The only eyeshadow that I'm going to be using is, I can't even pronounce it, Buon Fresco. It's this one right here. And I'm going to be using the brush from the palette. I'm going to be using this lavender shade all over my eyelids. This is the only eyeshadow I'm going to be using since the song cover has a very lilac color and this is the only lilac that I have. So we're just going to be packing it onto the eyelid and then we're going to blend it out so it's not harsh. This is a pretty light purple, so I'm going to keep packing that on until I feel like it looks good. Next thing I'm going to do is take some eyeliner. This is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in black. It's going to line my lash line and then add some lashes. Taking the D115 lashes by Dodo Lashes. So I got the lashes on, they look good. Great. I'm going to do my foundation and concealer off camera. I still have to do that before I go into all the designs I'm going to put on my face. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so I just finished putting on my foundation and concealer and set my face with powder. I'm going to finish off the eyes with the same eyeshadow that we were using earlier. I'm going to be taking that same lavender shade that I've been using and I'm going to be putting it under the lower lash line and putting on some waterproof mascara as well. Alrighty, the eyes look good. They're pretty much done. I think I'm going to start the eyeliner under my brows and then I'm going to connect it for the nose portion. Yeah, let's do that. I'm a little scared. My eyebrows look really good right now and I don't want to mess them up, so basically I wasn't recording, but I'm doing the eyebrow portion right now and this is what I have so far. What do you guys think? Good so far? I think it's not bad. don't know, this one's a little bit meh compared to this one. This one looks way better, but it's different, it's cute. I like it. Alrighty, it's time to do the nose portion from the picture. Basically, I have to attach a line from here going down and then up, and then like a little C shape right here. So wish me luck. Okay, the nose is okay. It doesn't really look like the picture. I'm so sorry. I tried my best. We're gonna move on to the teardrop and the heart. So the heart is on the right side of the face and the teardrop's on this side. So I just finished the teardrop. That literally took me forever, and it kind of looks like a teardrop. It doesn't really look like one, but it's the best I can do. I'm very worried about the scissors that has to cut the tear. I practiced it on the back of my wrist, but I don't know how it's gonna look on my face. Okay, I'm scared. Two circles down. Oh my goodness. She's doing good. Guys, are you proud of me right now? Like, look at this. I mean, it's not the best scissors in the world, but I did that. And you guys watch me do it. Guys, this is the look so far. It looks really good. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, which is bronzer, blush, and highlight before I outline my lips. I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay guys, I just finished doing the rest of my face. Now I'm going to be moving on to the lips. I'm going to be outlining my upper lip and the inside of my lip and my bottom lip. Okay guys, that is it for this week's makeup look. This looks so good. This is like way better than I thought I would ever do. I had no idea I had this potential. If this ever reaches you, K FLAY, I want you to know that I love your music so much and I love you as an artist and as an individual. You are truly incredible. I hope you really like my interpretation of your song cover for Bad Vibes. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on all my social medias. My Instagram is always linked in the description box below. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!